Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the best thing since minced bread, Valvo. And today we're moving forward with an awesome video on ratios. Or at least I hope it's awesome. I haven't made it yet. I'm doing that right now. Let's get going. Now, ratios are awesome because they concern relative sizes. So if you've ever seen a movie and there's a general character that was like, we're outnumbered 10 to 1, right? That is a ratio. And it doesn't mean that there's 10 of them and 1 of us, right? It means that for every one of us, there's 10 of them. So there could be 1 of us and 10 of them, or there could be 2 of us and 20 of them, or 3 of us and 30 of them, or 45 of us and 450 of them, right? The important thing is the ratio stays the same. For every 1 of us, there's 10 of them. Let's do a peacetime example. So like I was saying before, a ratio is a comparison of 2 quantities.